Kawai kakali Maruti Ignis kabadon yu number ML Not San W Inyau Not R Not Kila Khongpong Hadu R Nilai Sien Hasurok Sning Bypass Kabahab Hakishnong Kaliar Kabadai Tang Nakadaw ke Jingpin Hair State Palat Jong Unongnya Ublalet Bantinra yu divider jong Surok Ba National Highway 6 Katkum ke Jingtip Balayok Lum Kani ke Jingjia Kalajia Minta ke Janmit Sengi Ublay Hakapor Kumba Saw Shiteng AA Hakaba Saw Ngut Ki Samla Ki Bedang Hakarta Khatpra Ar Postnam Kilawan Dakate Kakali Maruti Ignis Kabala Killa Khongpong Sundan Hapring Surok Ba Hadu Ba Unongnya Lembat Uwaipat Kila Mynsaw Jur Katba Ar Ngut Ki Basyonglang Hakate Kakali Kila Petkrat Nakate Kajaka Kibor pulit jong ko Sning Police Station, tangmar yayo jingtip kilapoy marmar hakatay ka jaka, ban pinkit ikitay kiba Mynsaw siya Sning CHC banyo ka jing sumar. Laru ban kadaw hangni ba ka jingnya khalaw ikikali bat khamtam ki thuk ka jurbaha hakasngi ublay, watla ki pulit kila jumaha bat talasi nakapor siya kapor, Henry minta kasngi lasaki bariki spa ngut kinongnya thuk Kidang Bteng ban penlong kum ke jaka lek kai bat lek stan hasurok ba bat bu iki wei pat kinong lek nongwan hapdeng ke jing siir bat ke jing bitar.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.